Chapter 8, The New Philosophy of Science. The New Philosophy of Science. In 1633, ecclesiastical authorities summoned the astronomer and physicist Galileo Galilei, 1564 to 1642, to Rome to face the Inquisition. The stakes were high. Many church fathers vehemently objected to Galileo's work on physics, for he espoused the atomistic theory of matter that seemed to challenge the Catholic Church's view that during the communion, bread and wine become the body and blood of Christ. The Church also opposed Galileo's contention that the earth revolves around the sun. The papacy's political situation forced the Church's hand. Protestant armies had recaptured some of the lands in which the Catholic Reformation had appeared victorious. The papacy, its influence weakened by the Protestant Reformation and eclipsed by powerful dynastic rulers, could ill afford another defeat. Urban VIII, who before his elevation to the pontificate had been Galileo's friend, accused the astronomer only of supporting the views of Copernicus, not of hearsay. This would save Galileo from death, but might also put the Pope in a bad light for protecting the scientist. Although Galileo agreed to renounce these errors as heresies in order to avoid a death sentence, in 1633 he was still sentenced to a lifetime of house arrest. When guards returned to his house, however, he cast a glance to the heavens and proclaimed of the earth, "See, it's still moving. See, it's still moving." The origins of modern science date to the 17th century, a period so marked by innovative thinking that it has been called the century of genius. In several different corners of Europe, a few people struggled to understand the workings of the cosmos in a new way. Their own observation of the skies seemed to contradict explanations of the universe that had originated with Aristotle in the 4th century BC, and having acquired the authority of the church, had been passed down for centuries. Breaking free of the bonds of tradition, these 16th century thinkers developed the scientific method, a means of understanding based on systematic observation of natural phenomena and experimentation regarding causes and effects. But what we know now as the scientific revolution owed its impact less to new technology and inventions than to new ways